Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of visual arts and exploring the captivating history that has shaped this art form. Visual arts have come a long way since their humble beginnings in cave paintings. Today, we're witnessing a stunning continuity between tradition and innovation, as each new art form builds upon the past while introducing fresh perspectives. Throughout history, art has been a mirror reflecting society and individual expression. Take the Renaissance period, for example, where artists like Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci challenged societal norms and created revolutionary masterpieces. Fast forward a few centuries, and we have digital installations pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in visual arts. It's truly amazing to see how art has evolved over time, from traditional mediums to digital creations. As we continue this journey through time, I can't wait to see what exciting new forms of visual expression will emerge in the future. Thank you so much for joining me on this artistic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content like this. Until next time, keep exploring the world of visual arts.